In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset Macbook without password. But anyways, if you've forgotten your password and you want to completely wipe the device, you don't need to actually log in, but you are going to need your Apple account, Apple ID credentials, and if Find My was turned on. This is due to the activation lock, which prevents thieves from resetting stolen Macs or any devices like that. So the first thing you want to do is enter recovery mode. So if you're on Apple Silicon like M1, M2, M3, shut down your iMac or your MacBook, press and hold the power button until you see the loading startup options, and then select options and then click continue. Once you're in the recovery screen, you might see a list of users. So since you don't know the password or you don't remember it or you can't log in, go to the top menu bar and click Recovery Assistant, then select Erase Map. And then click Erase Mac again to confirm, and the computer is going to restart and walk you through a brief activation process where you'll need to connect to Wi-Fi and enter your Apple account, email, and password. And if the Erase Mac option isn't available in the menu, select Disk Utility from the main window and click Continue. Then in the sidebar, select Macintosh HD and then click the Erase button in the top toolbar. As the format, choose APFS, and as the scheme, choose GUID partition map if asked, and then click Erase Volume Group, and once finished, quick Disk Utility. Now that the drive is empty, your thing is going to be a blank slate. So back in the utility windows, select Reinstall Mac OS, then follow the prompts to download and install the operating system, but this can take up to 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on your internet speed. And when the Hello Setup screen appears, the reset is then complete. And yeah, it's as simple as that.